Children, good morning all of you. Today for class 10, ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal Board. Equation of a straight line, part 9. That means you have already got 8 lessons. You must go through that lesson. Especially part 1. There are formulas. Formulas you have to learn and you have to remember also. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from M.L. Agarwal's book exercise 12.1, sum number 29. Three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order. Sum is written here clearly and you will get in your book also. Now pay your attention on the solution. Diagram. Diagram you may draw or may not. For the sake of explanation, I have done this diagram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Vertices, coordinate of the vertices A, B, C are given. Here A 3, 6, B 5, 10, C 3, 2 are vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. It is given. Now the coordinates of the fourth vertex, that is D, is required. This is not given. These coordinates we have to find out. Now, since the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore O is the midpoint of AC, diagonal AC. This is the diagonal AC, midpoint of AC. Coordinate of A and C is given, so by applying the formula, easily we will get the coordinates of O. The coordinates of the midpoint to O is, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is the coordinates of midpoint. Then we have to put the relevant values in this formula. That is x1, that is x1 3, and x2 that is 3. That is 3 plus 3 by 2. X1 plus y2 plus y1, that is 6 plus 2 by 2. By simplifying, we are getting 6 by 2 and 8 by 2, and finally we are getting 3, 4. Again, O is the midpoint of the diagonal BD also. O is the midpoint of the diagonal BD. Since the diagonal bisect each other, when we are getting the coordinates of the midpoint of AC, at the same time we are getting the coordinate of the midpoint of BD also, because the same intersecting point. This is why O is the midpoint of the diagonal BD also. Let the coordinates of the fourth vertex be xy. We have taken the coordinates of D xy. By applying the midpoints formula, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 equal to 3. This coordinate, the midpoints coordinates we have got here 3, and by simplifying we are getting, by cross multiplication, x plus 5 equal to 6 and x equal to 6 minus 5, therefore x equal to 1, and y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2, that is y plus 10 by 2. Here we are getting 4. This is why y plus 10 by 2 equal to 4. Then by cross multiplication we are getting y plus 10 equal to 8 and y equal to, by simplifying we are getting y equal to minus 2. The simple simplification, by looking the step, easily you will understand. Therefore the coordinates of the fourth vertex, that is D, is 1 minus 2. That's the first part. Answer of the first part we have got. Now we have to find out the length of diagonal BD, that is BD. We have to find out the length of BD. That means distance between the point B and D. Now the length of diagonal BD, that is formula root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. After writing the formula, then we have to put the relevant values. X2 minus x1, that is this. X2 minus x1. The coordinates of xy that we have got 1 minus 10. So in place of x that is 1 and in place of y that is minus 2. x2 minus x1 that is 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 whole square and y that is minus 2 minus 10 whole square. By simplifying, we are getting minus 4 whole square, minus 2 minus 10, that is minus 12 whole square, minus 4 whole square, that is 16, minus 12 whole square, that is 144. By adding, we are getting 160. This 4 root 10 units. How we are getting this 4 root 10 units? By mental calculation also we may get 4 means 4 into 4, that is 16 into 10, that is 160. Or by doing the LCM, by using the factor, you may get this length, that is 4 root 10 units. Therefore, length of BD is 410 units. Units you have to write. That is the distance. Always we have to measure by using unit. Here unit is not given. This is why by spelling you have to write units in this way. Next and last part, the equation of side AB. We have to find out the equation of side AB of the parallelogram ABCD. Again, the equation of side AB, that is AB. Coordinate of AB, that is 3, 6, and coordinate of B, that is 5, 10. You may write in this way or may not, but if you write, then easily you can put the relevant values in the formula. And passing through 2 points, equation, that is y minus y1 divided equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. After writing the formula, then you will put the relevant values. This is x1 y1, that is x2 y2. So y minus y1, that is this y1 minus 6 equal to y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, that is 10 minus 6, and x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus 3 into x minus x1, that is 3. After putting the values, then we have to simplify. 10 minus 6, that is 4, and 5 minus 3, that is 2. 4 and 2 will be cancelled, then it will be 2. Then y minus 6 equal to 2 into x minus 3. Then we are taking this part, x we are taking, whole part we are taking right side to left side, so sign will not be changed. And we are at the same time we are multiplying, that is 2x minus 6, and this is equal to y minus 6. Then we are bringing y from right side to left side. It is plus, so it will be minus, and minus 6, this is right side minus 6. When it will come left side, the sign will be changed, so minus 6 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 will be cancelled. This equal to 0. Right side no number or variable. This is why equal to 0. Then minus 6 plus 6 will be cancelled. So finally it is coming 2x minus y equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of side AB of the parallelogram ABCD is 2x minus y equal to 0. Simple, very simple if you follow the step attentively. Not only simple, very interesting also. Especially coordinates, if you remember the formula and if you pay your full attention, you will understand certainly, definitely. At the same time, you will get interest also. Do you understand? Sonak and Sharnodeep, you must pay your full attention for understanding this. Okay, thank you everybody.